What's cooking, foodies? It's football season, and I have a quick crowd-pleasing chili just for you. Ready in 30 minutes? It's our touchdown buffalo chicken chili. Here are your ingredients, and they can be found in the description box below. Make sure to shred your rotisserie chicken first and set aside. We like to use Buffalo Wild Wings medium sauce. Use 1/4 cup to a half a cup depending on how spicy you like your chili. To a large pot on medium heat, add chicken broth, fire roasted diced tomatoes, tomato sauce, navy beans, buffalo sauce, onion powder, garlic powder, salt and pepper, softened cubed cream cheese, and your shredded rotisserie chicken. Cover and cook on low until cheese has melted, about 20 minutes or so. And then go ahead and garnish with blue cheese and green onions. If you do not like blue cheese, any cheese garnish will do. Enjoy it by itself or with some Frito chips. They're super tasty. Make sure to check out my other traditional chili recipe link in the description box below. Enjoy!